Hi, my dear students. In this lecture here, we're going to be adding a link somewhere here so that way we can see each of these posts individually. All right. I think it's a really issue right now if we wanted to see this because we will have to go to the front of the page and click on this link right here, and that way we can see the post. Right. And if you want to go back to admin, we just click edit post and then view a post. I think we need to make it a little shorter, right? So let's add a link here that we go and we can see each individual page, all right? So now for those of you who are wondering, when is this course going to end? Well, this course has ended the minute that you learn how to build this system. Now, what actually is going on right now is that I'm trying to make you be creative and make you think outside the box by creating new features to the CMS. All right. Now I want you to also take time to think what can you add to to the CMS to make it better. Don't just wait for me to make a new lecture for you to think. Be creative, think. That way you can become better. Play around with it. Don't be scared to mess it up. This is the way that we learn, by making mistakes. And it doesn't matter if you make 1,000 mistakes. That's what makes you better. All right, so keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and add this new link. So right now I'm in admin underscore navigation inside the includes folder in the admin. But I want to go to, and actually I have it right here in my working files. So if you have a lot of files here, just click on these edges and take them off. That's not going to delete anything. I'm going to go to view all posts, and what I want to do is right here before edit, I want to add a view post page. I don't want to put it right besides the delete because I don't want to make a mistake and delete the post right when I click on that link. So I want to make it before that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of these, and this is the edit, by the way. Make it a little bigger so you can see it, and I'm going to make this. So this is the edit, and I want to make it right before that. So I'm going to copy this whole thing here, and I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to rename it to view post. View post, actually, with one T, no S, because it's going to be that individual post. And this looks a lot better if I minimize it, right? I'm just basically zooming this so that way you can see it better, all right? Just know that this is not, it looks like a mess right now, but it's not. Look at this. It looks a lot better like this, right? All right. Just wanted to show you that. I think I have shown you that before. So if we go back, I'm gonna save with Control S for Windows and Command S for Mac users. Let's refresh, and as you can see, the link is right here. All right, if I click on it, of course, it's gonna take me to that edit because we did a copy there, a paste, copy and paste. But we need to add another heading right here for it because it's out of place. So let's go back to, let me make sure that I remember my number here where I am. I am in the 163, line 163. So let's go all the way top because we're getting a lot of code here. And actually now all the way to the top right here. And right here after date, I want to add another T head called view post. Save. Come back here and refresh. Now we have this going on, and this looks a lot better too if I'm in a smaller resolution. You see that? Actually a bigger resolution. So just in case you think this looks that bad, it's just that right now I'm just trying to help you see it better. Maybe you are on a phone device or something, I don't know. So anyway, let's go back and add some functionality to it. All right, so I'm gonna go to 163 again. This is where I am. And here what we want to do is we don't want to go to post.php anymore. We want to go outside of admin to our root, 2 dots, / and then I'm going to take this S out of this post page right there. And I want to take this source too because I don't need that, and the ampersand. And now I'm just going to leave P underscore ID and then post ID. I'm just going to leave everything else the same. Save. Come back here, refresh, and if I click on this ID 37 post, actually that was edit, sorry about that. view post. Now we go to that individual post. Let's go back. There we go. See that? It's working, right? Perfect. So I think we're done adding this functionality here, and that's going to help you a lot when you want to go and see what is going on this specific post. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture, and if you have any suggestions, please message me, let me know. All right? I see you in the next lecture. It was a pleasure. Bye-bye.